Remember, ang goal natin, ano bang main goal mo? Yumaman lang? There's nothing wrong yumaman. Maging chill-yunaryo. Chill ka. What makes you really happy? What makes you really fun? I can play video games if I wanted to for 2 hours a game if that makes me happy. Unfortunately, hindi talaga ako mahilig sa video game. But I love watching movies. I love playing with my son. I love playing with my kids. You design your lifestyle. You design a business that will support your lifestyle. This is what we're trying to do here. Kaya nga po lagi ko sinasabi sa inyo, IBMC, hindi po ito parang magbebenta ka lang ng longganisa sa kapitbahay mo or magpapaloading business ka. This business model that I've been sharing with you guys will help you design a life that you want. Ano yun? Ikaw nang bahala. Kung talagang gusto mo magtrabaho sa probinsya, basta may computer or internet, go to the province. Fresh air, walang traffic, walang pollution, whatever makes you happy. Are you more of a morning person? Katulad ko, gising ka ng 5:30 in the morning? Go for it. Or are you more of an afternoon person? Sir John, utak ko tumatakbo mga after lunch. Go for it. You gotta decide. You just don't like, katulad ng ginagawa ko, you don't have to do some video like this. Focus ka lang sa ebook mo. If you like what I'm doing, you know what, gusto ko rin maging ganyan, yung parang kay coach o nagtuturo. Go for it. Whatever makes you happy. Because if you do what you do and hindi ka masaya, at kahit pa ikaw ang mayroong pinakamalaking sahod na nag-enroll sa IBMC, I don't care kung hindi ka masaya. Then you lose the game. You lose the point. Even if you have the biggest house and the fanciest car, hindi ka masaya, you miss the point. I'm not saying huwag kayong bumili ng malaking bahay. No. You know Sir Jon Orana. I do not like bash wealthy people. In fact, I protect them. I defend them. But I don't want you to miss the point. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.